Alright, today we got our Turbo Buster, and we're going to open this up right now. First of all, get the manual, get the bags, different accessory, all 3 accessories. There's 1, 2, 4 accessories in here. Different nozzles, alright? Thin nozzle, thicker nozzle, thin, and then wide. So we're going to put these on the side. Get a little brush to clean it up because it does get dusty. A larger brush. And then the piece of resistance, which is this. Now, this one has a little handle. I like that. Oh, snap! Look at this. It has a USB charging station. Oh, I like this. I like this. Let's see if it charges. Oh, it's charging. That is fabulous. I like that. That's a plus. I didn't expect that. I didn't even see that. I didn't even know it had that in there. So you hide it in there. It's good. You guys are good. You guys hiding this in there. Good. Look at that little handle. Now, turn it on. Hold on the power button. 1, 2. Ooh. I like this. Ooh, this thing is loud and it's strong. Let's put a use. I ain't gonna lie, this thing's gonna be super dusty. I just used it to clean up out here. And look at that. Oh my god. Let's clean up the filter first. Filter's the filthiest one. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Go ahead and clean it up. Hold the power button. One level 4, right? Alright, just empty it out. But I'm gonna turn on the light. 1, 2, 3, so we can see a little bit better. And hold the power button. 1, 2, 3. Level 4. Very powerful. Highly recommend you. With LED lights, it's a plus. So hope you guys enjoy this video.